Hello, what is up? Once again, everyone, R of Design here, back with yet another diecast car video, and today we have the Brickingtrails, now returned in light blue, and as you can see, it is from Brickingtrails number 1 out of 5 and number 7 out of 250. So let's go ahead and open this up. I believe this is from the B and C case, or not if it's from the A and B case. I don't really remember for this casting. I mean, like, sure enough, like for these bricking type of cars, sometimes I find them late, so sometimes I might not be sure of what case it's from. I know it's available from the B case as well, but I don't remember. Is it A and B or B or C? I have to check back later. So here it is, the Brickingtrails now in light blue. This is not sky blue like the golf liveries that they normally done, but this is the light blue, which yeah, okay. I mean, we had red, we had green. Was it green? I don't remember. Was it green? I think so. I mean, I kept forgetting which of these Brickingtrails have been releasing so far. I mean, like, of course I collected all except for the custom small block in yellow, of course, but I don't actually remember. Oh yeah, I remember, it was turquoise, a sort of turquoise color, teal, or was it cyan? I don't remember. But yeah, now it's returned in light blue, which is okay, I guess. But yeah, let's take a look at the vehicle itself. Here it is, Brickingtrails in this light blue, and as you can see, you had the checkered flags on the side in dark blue. Focus it in a bit. Yeah, there you go. You have the yellow and red stripes on the side, which are pretty neat, I guess. You have the 1x2 studs on the side for you to like stick a minifigure inside or anything. Hotwheels logo at the bottom right there. Yeah, there's more checkered flags to the front. Moving on to the front, you have 1x1 stud on this side and the other one on that side, so maybe you can do like headlights with 1x1 studs or so, who knows. Then yeah, that's basically it. You have the front bumper in red, obviously. This is metal, by the way, this is plastic. Moving on to the hood and roof, as you can see, as you already know by now, yes, this can detach. Oops, I made it too rough. By the way, this is let's see, 4-7. So this is a 7x3, but there's 2 missing studs right here. It's normally like that for Brickingtrails, so yeah, don't worry if you got a Brickingtrails with these 2 holes right here. Well, it is fine because it's normally like that, you know. Brickingtrails without 2 extra studs is normal. And then you have this detachable part in yellow right here. This is a part from the extra tire at the back. Yeah, by the way, this is more of like the cockpit in green right there. Here's the back, 3x1 stud, and then you have the red rear bumper. But yeah, this is the other side. By the way, this is already different, so maybe you can stick a stud upside down. I mean, like a 1x2, but facing towards the inside, I guess, maybe if you want to do that. But yeah, by the way, they have these off-road wheels, which are pretty cool in gray. Let me just stick that back in. So like, if you want to mix and match with some other Brickingtrails, you can. Maybe you can change this with a different color if you want, or maybe even this, or maybe you want to mix it with custom small block, or maybe Bricking Speed if you want. That would be pretty cool. And here it is, the red, that bright red metallic base right here. You can see Brickingtrails 2021 Mattel, and also made in Malaysia, as you can see right there. Yeah, there you go. That is my review of the Brickingtrails vehicle in light blue now. So if you want to watch the red version of the Brickingtrails, I've done a review with the turquoise version back in the past. You can check out in my YouTube channel if you want to watch that video. And yeah, there you go, that's my review of the Brickingtrails. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.